Okay, here it is. I have to darken up the green for the trees. I have to put some reflections in the water. The yellow reflections need to be right there. And I did my tree wrong. I should have put the white on the top of the tree instead of under it. I need a little bit of blue for the shadows in the snow. It doesn't look blue, but it is blue. And it'll show up in the snow if I put the blue shadows. Oh, that's it. I've been working on it. I did it. I've been doing it by using my brush and blowing on it to make it get thawed. And I've been gathering up snow on my emergency blanket like so. And then using it. It works pretty good. And this emergency blanket's amazing. My hand was really cold. I mean, it was cold enough I had to go in the house. But it's warm now. It's warmed up. This emergency blanket is amazing. Now this other hand is cold, so I have to touch it against the emergency blanket there because my fingertips are cold. It's really neat. I'm having a good time. You can hear that trickling. Okay, I did it. I painted a picture. I haven't painted a picture in, I don't know. I don't really know how to watercolor. I'll go home and I'll get some water and I'll smooth it out. I mean, there is water there, but I'll try and get there. Bye.